Hello, welcome to another Friday Fun. This one sort of is a bit more impromptu because we just had delivery of the new Crazy Tube Circuit Splash MK3 stereo reverb. It's a sort of dual reverb, although you can have one at a time. I'm not fully familiar with it yet, apart from the fact that it sounds really quite nice. So I just threw a DeepMind 12 just to sort of have a listen, and I had a little riff. I just thought, hey, why not do a Friday Fun? That's the whole point of it. It's spontaneous. So let's just have a listen. This is a very simple voice. If I just put this reverb on. Yeah, the reverb sounds lovely, so that's all good. So what I thought I'd do is I just play this riff. I've got this really nice little riff. Well, I think it's nice anyway. And I'll just mess around with the patch on the DeepMind 12. So, got the LFO going to the filter. Second LFO. No effects on this. This is all just straight through, stereo out to stereo in, that's it. But then I started adding some effects. So I've got, let's just bring these in. So I've got the rack amp here. Let's take the level down a little bit. So I can get the drive up. And an AutoPan. Really thickens it up, sounds nice actually. And then, like I say, we've got an AutoPan, which is just moving it around a bit. And then I've got this sort of FairComp, which is like a Fairchild compressor. Sounds lovely. And a bit of portamento. And the routing I've got here, I've got envelope 3, which is the mod envelope. I'm routing on the mod depth wheel, so I can bring that in. And that's set up on a loop. The secret to playing on the Arturia, and I'm in keyboard play mode, so I can go over it. Go a bit further, so we're in poly mode. Let's bring up some unison. Ooh, that's starting to sound beefy. And how about some detune? Audio rate mod on LFO2. So it creates like almost like a delay. Go a bit higher on the unison. the envelope depth.